Good
Afternoon.
afternoon.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Narayan Prasad. I am 39 years old. I have 6 members, my family member. My education is 8 pass. I am from Saint Janepa.
Okay, Narayan Prasad Pokhrel sir. Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you physically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to work hard?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you tell me about your work experience?
I experience in China first India 2 years. After goes there Kuwait. Kuwait going 3 years after assistant cook. After go Saudi Arab 3 years cook.
Okay, sir. So you can work as a cook or cook helper in any European countries?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you name few of the food items which you can prepare?
Yes, ma'am. Prepare pizza, burger, pasta, sandwich also. After chili chicken, Chinese item, chili chicken, Jain chicken, Singwai chicken also.
Okay, sir. So you can work in any weather or climate in any European countries?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any medical health problem?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or relatives there?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so are you willing to stay there for a long time?
Yes.
Okay, so you must complete your 2 years employment contract with the sponsor company. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now you can show me a skill.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Chop it ginger. Chop in garlic. Chili chicken. Corn flour. Vinegar. Salt. Tasting powder. Little bit black pepper. Little bit red pepper. Some water.
कस्तो त्यो मार्छ फेरि यो फेसले त फेरि झाल्छ नि फेरि अन्य जस्तो पनि